All right, peace data team, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be working on automating and classifying some of the Facebook Marketplace API. So what you guys should see on my screen now is just this very rudimentary, program that I threw together just to help me start thinking through the logic. Now, right now, I am selling in my Facebook Marketplace, but I also wanted to try out my buddy's his Facebook Marketplace. So my buddy mostly sells like auto part stuff, and now we're like selling some stuff for the apartment. And the most common inquiry that we always get is like, is this available? It's one of the automated messages that Facebook sends. So what I wanted to do is just to add some sort of hook event that, especially if it's one of the automated messages, like we just automatically respond that yes, this item is available, where they can pick it up, a pickup location, the pickup location, and like a list of times they could choose from. Because I find that I spend most of my time like, oh, is this available? You know, what condition is it in? Where's your pickup location? Is that and the third? So I just wanted to have like, if someone sent an automated message, to have like an automated response. All right, so first let me just walk you guys through I'm just gonna give you guys like a little preview. So right now I have the flag set to false. Let me change this to true right quick. So I'm about to change this flag to true right quick to just say that like this is in inventory. So now I'm gonna run my program. All right, so the first message I'm gonna send is that very typical, like, is this available? So that's gonna be our Facebook message, and then we'll have our response. All right, so there's our response, and now I'm about to print our response. And as you can see, now what happens is, yes, this item is available. Here's a pickup location. There's this faux location. And then you can pick up anytime, Monday through Sunday, starting at 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Please choose a slot from the list below. And then as you guys can see, I have the list of times. All right, I'm going to change this to a situation where for whatever reason, like this product is actually not in inventory. All right, so in my code, I've just changed this to false. And now I'm going to rerun this. And now I'm going to send this same message is available. And now if I print out my response, as you guys can see, it says, no, sorry, this item is not available. Now, the last scenario that I wanted to like try out with my just like this little rudimentary program is like, what if this inquiry is not about whether it's available or not? Because right now I've only like quote unquote programmed it to respond to like availability responses. So let's just say that like a user passed in something that's not related to like, is this available? So for right now, this is what will happen if we pass in a message like hello world, for example. So if I pass in hello world, and then I go to call my function, as you guys can see, it displays the message of sorry, I did not understand your inquiry, try again. Now, this is something I just threw together in maybe like 3 minutes, and it's just meant to like simulate like the logic of what will happen. In a perfect world, what will happen is we will set up a hook event so that anytime someone like sends us a Facebook marketplace message, it would go to our program. So I'll probably build a REST API in the background, and that REST API is essentially going to be like hooked up to like the hook event for Facebook Marketplace. So anytime we receive a Facebook Marketplace message, it'll go to our REST API. Our REST API will do all of the logic that it needs to do, and it'll respond back to the Facebook Marketplace API, which will then respond to the user. And all of this will be happening automatically in the background, similar to like how this would happen. So for right now, I just wanted to like start building out like some rudimentary like logic that would like walk us through how you would do it. And in the future, I'm going to actually build out an API that over time, it could actually like automate your Facebook Marketplace. And I really like to start there because when people hit you up on Facebook Marketplace, they're ready to spend money. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.